Now to another major story we have been following. Kyle Rittenhouse was back in court for a hearing exactly 1 week before his trial is set to begin. The 18-year-old is charged with shooting 3 men, killing 2, all in the unrest following the police shooting of Jacob Blake last summer. Stephanie Haynes is live in Kenosha with more. Stephanie.
Charles, that hearing just wrapped up minutes ago. Attorneys were wrapping up a few issues just 1 week before the trial. And as you recall, 18-year-old Kyle Rittenhouse is charged with shooting and killing Joseph Rosenbaum and Anthony Huber. He's also accused of shooting Gage Grosskreutz, but he was shot and survived. Today, the judge said he will allow the defense team to call a Kenosha police officer named Amanda Franco as a witness. Court documents show she had, quote, 2 brief, cordial conversations with Rittenhouse in the hours before the shootings. Prosecutors said they think it's not relevant. Defense attorneys think it is, and the judge ultimately agreed. The documents also state she was called out to an alleged fight Rittenhouse was involved in with his sister. That was back in July. The judge has since denied admitting video of that in court. Now, last week, the defense introduced its use of force expert. It was decided that expert witness will only be able to offer expertise on the timing of the events and shootings from the video, and the state will not introduce their own experts. And finally, prosecutors discussed how they wanted the judge to not allow defense attorneys to call Huber, Rosenbaum, and Grosskreutz the words arsonists, looters, and rioters. Here's what the judge had to say.
And it is. You're tell me that if you in final argument said to the jury, Kyle Rittenhouse is a cold-blooded killer, that would be, you don't think that you'd be allowed to do that?
I think I should be. I think I should be allowed to call people a victim too.
So why can't he call the victim an arsonist if that's what he thinks he can prove?
There will be 20 jurors seated in this trial. 8 of them will be alternates. That is set to begin next Monday morning. For now, live in Kenosha, Stephanie Haynes, TMJ4 News.
All right, couple key decisions there. Thanks, Stephanie. Chaos in Kenosha. The Kyle Rittenhouse case is a new documentary by Court TV that looks at what evidence might be presented to a jury when he heads to trial next week. Rittenhouse has admitted to the shootings, but he has pleaded not guilty in the case. A former prosecutor and trial expert says this case could end in a mistrial, a case that has divided the country.
This case is so polarizing, and we've seen folks all over the country reacting to this case from the outset. And so the idea is that perhaps you're going to find men and women serving on this jury as the finders of fact feeling polarized as well.
Coming up tonight at 6, we will look at how often a hung trial actually happens in this country. Our partners over at Court TV will be covering the trial of Kyle Rittenhouse in full starting next Monday, and you can watch the case live on over-the-air channel 4.3.